Go. Wow. What a good job. Come over here. Can you vacuum over here? Good job. Wow, what a good job you're doing. Go where Daddy is. Can you go where Daddy and help Daddy vacuum over there? Yeah, go over there and help Daddy vacuum. Look how dirty it is. Okay. Now turn it off. Do you need help? Okay. Now go pick it up. Good job. Now go by the tree. Yes.
Oh no! Oh no!
Very good job. Can I get a kiss and a hug, please? Mwah. Okay.